Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know we're still in quarantine, unfortunately, and that can be boring, and it's in our nature to get a little lazy, just relax, no one's gonna see us, so why bother? But I figured we could go in a different direction. Maybe have ourselves a little quarantine glow up, if you will. Because whenever this is over, summer's gonna be right there, ready to go, and we wanna be ready for that. So I thought I'd make a video showing you guys a few things you can do to get your glow up on before the quarantine ends. And also, it's a good way to pass the time and just not get into that lazy habit. So let's get started. So one thing that I do, and I've done this every summer basically, and I love it, is drinking lemon and cucumber water. But I thought I'd start earlier because I want to look good for summer, and this really helps your system. It helps clear out those toxins. And it just tastes good. So what I do is I get a mason jar, I fill it with lemons and cucumbers, and then I put it in the fridge, and water and ice, and I put it in the fridge overnight. It sits, it gets nice and tasty overnight, and then I drink it first thing in the morning, right when I wake up. That way I just start my system going with a nice cleanse, basically. And then I fill it up again, I put it in the fridge, and I let it sit all day, and then I drink it right before bed. So a cleanse before breakfast, right when you wake up, and a cleanse before you go to bed, basically, just letting your system clear out. And I've also been doing intermediate fasting, so I stop eating around 6, and I don't eat until 9 the next morning. It just kind of lets my system cleanse itself out. And I recommend this too. I mean, obviously the fasting thing is something you can only do if you know that your body can handle it. But this can work for anybody because it's just good for you. It helps your skin, it helps your appetite. I love it and I swear by it. I don't have any medical proof to back that up, but I just love this, so give it a shot if you want. Another thing you need to focus on during a glow up is your mind, because if your mind's not doing good, your body isn't going to do good either. And that's why I've been working on yoga and meditation. I've been trying to get back into that because right now we're in an anxiety-inducing situation. We are basically watching people around us get more and more sick, and we're stuck with our families 24/7. That's just stressful. And so basically you need activities that can help relax you, and I've chosen yoga and meditation, but it can be anything that you can do at your house. You can also go on walks. I mean, you're allowed to leave your house. You can go on walks, just whenever you pass by somebody, move around. Don't stand right next to them. But yeah, whatever works for you. For me, it's yoga and meditation. I've been trying to work on my mindfulness, and now that I have all this time, I figured why not do it more often? Don't really have any more excuses. So let's go do a little bit of that. Yeah, yoga? Yeah. There are other ways you can work out too. My gym is streaming all of their classes right now because of the quarantine, and I encourage you to find out if your gym is doing anything like that. Just don't slack off just because we're stuck at home. Also, there's so many videos on YouTube you can do. I love finding new workout videos. And I hope that when summer comes around, I will have stuck with it and I'll be confident in a swimsuit, because that's all we can hope for, right? I know people talk about summer bodies all the time, but for me, my body is my summer body, but I just want to feel my most confident during the summertime when I'm showing more skin. And I feel like if we work at that right now, we will have actualized it by the time summer rolls around. Now that I'm done with yoga and meditation, it's time to eat. I'm starving, so let's go do that. This is one of my favorite smoothie recipes. I can't have it now because of keto. I have to take some fruits out, but I wanted to share it with you. I have now dubbed it the Quarantine Glow Up Smoothie. I hope you guys make it, and I hope you enjoy. so I have my breakfast made. I feel like right now we're more likely to eat bad because we have so much access to food. Like, we can snack anytime we want, so I'm trying my best to eat better. I'm currently doing keto right now. This is something I kind of go on and off of, but I figure right now would be a really good time to do it so I don't look awful whenever summer comes around, because I want to feel my best. And for me, that is when I'm not bloated from all the carbohydrates, which do have that effect on me because of certain, like, just, it has that effect on me. So I try to not eat as many, but right now I'm going full on keto. I made myself a small breakfast. I'm not too hungry. Eggs, can't really see it. Eggs, some shrimp, and avocado, and some blueberries. So very nice. I'm excited to eat it. Whenever it's nice out, I try to eat breakfast or whatever meal I can outside because I'm trying to get out as much as possible. I don't want to be sick of my house by the end of this quarantine. So this is the best way to do it. I have to keep braking because of the wind. But I actually always try to eat outside as much as I can. I just love it. It's calming. It's beautiful. There's so much noise, but it's relaxing, I promise. Another way to have a mental glow up is by reading more. I'm trying to read a book a week, and right now I'm succeeding at it. I'm currently reading Daisy Jones and I love this book. I read it. I read it 2 times last summer, and this is my 3rd. It's so good. I recommend it. But yeah, just reading, whatever you want. If you don't want to read a whole book, read a comic book. Just read. Take a break from the phone. Ironic, as you're probably watching me on some sort of device. But honestly, just take the time away from phones, TVs. Enjoy a nice book or a craft or anything. I've been painting more. I plan on trying to fly a kite at some point. I'm trying to do things that I would otherwise be spending the time while surfing the web or looking at social media. Enjoy this time by deconnecting a bit. Social distance yourself from social networking, basically. And, of course, I'm not saying go cold turkey, but, just try to enjoy this time. Enjoy what you have at your home. That resonates with anybody. But yeah, I read every day, all day. Just find yourself something you like. And I know you can't really go to bookstores right now, but order it on Amazon. Or maybe search your house. You don't know what kind of books you can find around. If you're like me, you'll find one you forgot completely about and reread it and it'll come back to you. So another way you can glow up is work on yourself a bit. I mean, you have time. You can work on any issues that have been bothering you. You can get to know yourself a bit better. You can figure out what you want out of life. We have so much time to do this, and I feel like people always use the excuse, if I had more time, I'd do this or that. Well, now you do. No more excuses. I personally am trying to get to know myself a bit better and try to work on some issues that I've had. Because, like I said, there's no excuse anymore. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. I mean, why not just enjoy the time? And work on yourself. Yeah, work on yourself. Isn't that right? Yeah. Okay, bye. But, I mean, we have the time to do this, and I just think we should all take advantage of it, and I hope you do too. Another way we can glow up our minds is by practicing mindfulness. Become appreciative of your surroundings, take time to acknowledge it. I mean, literally smell the flowers, enjoy your time, and don't get into your head, basically. Try to stay in the present. I know it's very stressful right now, but we have to try as hard as we can because it's only going to get worse, and we have to keep our mind healthy right now. Another way you can glow up during the quarantine, take care of your hair and skin. Do a couple masks twice a week. Enjoy your time. Relax. Make sure your skin and hair is amazing by the time summer rolls around. I currently have a mask on, if you can't tell, and I have a hair mask in. I'm gonna let those sit. I cut up some cucumbers, which I realize now are super uneven, but I'm gonna go put those on my eyes.
I'm not sure if they do anything, really. Maybe they help puffiness. I haven't been able to tell. But it's fun. It kind of completes the look, so why not?
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you do some of these things to get your quarantine glow up on. And let me know down in the comments how you plan on glowing up this quarantine. I hope you guys stay safe, stay home, work on yourself instead of going outside, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.